In Bangkok, tiny bowls of boat noodles tell a centuries-old tale from riverside markets where sailors and monks found quick fuel. The broth simmers for hours with pork or beef, garlic, star anise, and a splash of vinegar, then is ladled into delicate bowls. Thin noodles curl with herbs and meat, while optional blood cubes add a bold, spicy twist. A local master recalls learning from a mentor, reading the broth to balance heat and sweetness. These stalls hold living history, inviting visitors to savor Bangkok's street soul.